In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade S&P 500 on TradingView. We'll walk through connecting paper trading and placing a practice trade from the chart, so you can learn the process without risking real money. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simulated account, choose a direction, and add risk controls like a stop loss and take profit. First, open the chart you want to trade. Make sure you're on the main chart view in TradingView, where you can see price candles and your time frames. This is the screen you'll use to place and manage trades. Now look to the bottom of the platform and click Trading Panel. This is where TradingView connects to brokers and its paper trading simulator. Select Paper Trading, then click Connect. TradingView will create a demo account for you automatically, typically funded with about $100,000 in virtual buying power. This is purely for practice, and anything you do here won't affect real funds. It's a great way to get comfortable with order placement and risk management before going live. Once you're connected, you're ready to place a paper trade directly from the chart. Right-click anywhere on the chart where you'd like to plan your entry. From the menu, choose Trade, then Create New Order. You'll see the order ticket appear. Decide on your direction. Choose Buy, also called Going Long, if you expect the price to rise. Choose Sell or Going Short if you expect the price to fall. This simply tells TradingView whether your position will profit from an upward or downward move. Next, enter your position size. This is how large your trade will be, and it determines how much you stand to gain or lose as the price moves. Keep it reasonable for practice so that your results are realistic. Add a stop loss. This is your protective exit if the market moves against you. It's a key risk control that helps cap potential losses. Think about a logical level on the chart where your idea would be invalidated and place your stop there. Then set a take profit. This is your target where the system will close the trade if price reaches your objective. It helps you lock in gains and define your reward up front. When everything looks good, click Place Order. Your simulated position will appear on the chart with clear markers for entry, stop, and target, making it easy to visualize and learn. That's it. Practice this flow to build confidence, and remember, this is educational and not financial advice.